All right, sixth graders, here are some examples on how to divide fractions and mixed numbers. Okay? We're going to remember when we multiply, or I'm sorry, when we divide fractions, we actually multiply to find the answer, but we have to multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. We have to flip the second number over and then multiply. So let's take one like number 11. We have 9 divided by 3/5. Okay. First we need to rewrite it as 9 over 1 times 5 over 3. We use the reciprocal of the second number, which is 5 over 3, and put it into the problem. Okay? What would that be then? Sam? 45 thirds, or if we reduce it first, what would we get? 3, 1, that would be 15, wouldn't it? 15. Sorry, Max, I'll move that out of the way for you. Number 12, 3 divided by 2/3. 3 divided by 2/3. Rewrite it as what, class? 3 over 1 times 3 over 2. That would be 9 over 2, or 4.5. Yeah, 4.5. 4, remainder 1. Right? So 4.5. Number 13. 5/6 divided by 1/4. Rewrite it as 5/6. This one stays the same. Times 4 over 1. Reduce 6 and 4 to 2 and 3. And multiply? 10 thirds. Or 3. 1/3. Questions? What about mixed numbers? Let's go to the next lesson. The procedure is the same, but we just have to change the mixed number to a top-heavy fraction first, and then flip it and multiply. So, for example, 3 and 1/3 divided by 2.5. This is number 4 in your assignment. 3 and 1/3 divided by 2.5. So first rewrite them as what? Top-heavy fractions times and plus. So that's 10 thirds. We keep the division first. Either that or we change this one first. We have to change it to a top-heavy and then flip it, right? So we could change this one right here. What would that be? 5 over 2. And then rewrite it as multiplication and flip this over. Use the reciprocal here. The reciprocal would be 2/5. Okay. Reduce this to 2/1. And we got 4/3. Or 1 1/3. Right? How about number 6 from your assignment? I'm on page 181. 7.5 divided by 2.5. 7.5 divided by 2.5. Rewrite them as top-heavy fractions. Times and plus. 14 plus 1 is 15 halves. And then rewrite this one as 5 halves again. But multiply it by 2/5. Reduce. 1, 1. 3, 1. 3/1. Whole number 3. Yep. Any questions on what we're doing? We're just adding that layer, things that we already know how to do. We already know how to divide fractions. You know, you have to multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. It's always the second number that you have to flip. You know, you have to multiply fractions times fractions. So we're just applying those two together, right? We're just putting these, writing them as fractions first, right? And then multiplying. So it's the same steps, okay? Any questions on what we're doing? All right, that's it.